In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect an Excel file with password. If you want to keep important spreadsheet data secure, adding password protection in Excel is a simple and effective way to do it. This can help prevent other people from making unwanted changes, and depending on the option you choose, it can also help limit access to the file or to a specific sheet. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to apply protection directly from inside Excel. Start by opening the Excel file you want to protect. Make sure you're in the workbook that contains the data you want to secure before moving on, because the protection settings will apply to the file or sheet you currently have open. Once the file is open, go to the ribbon at the top of the Excel window and click the File tab. This will take you to the Backstage view, where you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. From that left panel, make sure you are on the Info section. This is where Excel groups together file-level tools like permissions, version history, and protection options. Inside the Info page, look for the Protect Workbook button and click it. A drop-down menu will appear with different protection choices. From here, you can either choose Encrypt with Password or Protect Current Sheet. Encrypt with Password is useful if you want to require a password before anyone can even open the file. Protect Current Sheet is more focused on controlling what users can do within the sheet, such as editing cells or changing content. For this example, we're choosing Protect Current Sheet. After you select that option, a dialog box will open. In this window, enter the password you want to use. Be sure to choose something secure, but also something you'll remember, because losing the password can make it difficult to remove the protection later. In the same dialog box, you'll also be able to choose what users can and cannot do on the protected sheet. For example, you can decide whether they're allowed to select cells, format content, or make other changes. Once you've entered the password and adjusted the permissions the way you want, click OK to apply the protection. Excel will then protect the sheet based on the settings you selected. And that's it. Your Excel file is now protected according to the option you chose. If you found this helpful, you can use the same process anytime you need to secure sensitive spreadsheet content and keep your work better controlled.